Hi everyone, this is the walkthrough for your homework for Chapter 5, and I left off in Movie 1 with this Step 5, so I'm ready to start Step 6. So I have my file open, and I have created the file, did all the structure changes. Now I'm going to go and actually put some data in. So I'm going to click over to Datasheet View, and so for the event, I'm going to cheat a little bit and oh, sorry. That's silly of me. That was really silly. I forgot these are lookups. So I'm going to look this up. Wedding reception 1118. Okay, client Bennett. So these are all the lookups. So tablecloth white. Theme luxurious. I have my pencil, so I have to go down. Wedding reception on the 23rd. Client is Bennett. Napkins white luxurious. Wedding reception on the 28th. Bennett. Yeah, see this, I don't think this is candles with candles, flower silver luxurious. Wedding the 23rd, Bennett. Fountain large luxurious, and that's it. Close the events. So I have that closed. So now I can start on 7. It says open the table events in Datasheet View. Table events. Okay. To query and create a query from a filter, click the location field, and then on the Home tab in the Sort and Filter group, click Selection, right? So that's this one here with the little lightning bolt. I'm going to click on that. Select all events being held in the Eldorado room, right? Eldorado room. Save this filter as a query named. So we're going to save, oops. We're going to save as, save object as, save object as, save as. It's going to be called QRY Eldorado room. And we're going to save it as a query. Okay. So I'm going to do something here. I'm going to take that filter away. Yeah, I think I messed up. Okay, I was on the wrong. I want to go back to this table events. I want to take this, clear this filter because I saved this. I'm going to save it because now this is a query called Eldorado room. Okay. Alrighty, close the Eldorado room, so we're going to close that. Alright, we still have table events open. I already cleared it, so I did this step. And then click on Advanced. So we're going to come here. We're going to click on the, sorry, what are we doing? On the Home tab, click Advanced, clear all. I already cleared. So I already cleared it. So we're going to come here and we're going to do Advanced Filter and Sort. So that brings me to what looks like a query, right? And really it kind of is. And we're going to do this and then we're going to turn around and save it as a query. Select the following fields. So we're going to add event name, event date, start time, end time, and then in the criteria we're going to do at Q2 5. Let's see, this is supposed to be I think it's supposed to be greater than. Okay, let's see. So I got event name, event date, start time, okay, and then we have to put this criteria in here, and this is the HTML code for a greater than sign. So we're going to come over here to criteria under end time and do greater than 5 p.m. Okay, on the Home tab in the Sort and Filter group, click Toggle Filter. Note the results of the advanced filter are not now displayed in the table event. Okay, save this filter as a query. So File, Save As, Save Object As, Save As. We're going to call it QRY Evening. I gotta spell it EVENING events. It's going to be saved as a query. And then it wants me to close the query evening events. That. No. Alright, I have 8 done. So let's move on to 9. On the Database Tools tab, we're going to do an Analyze. So we're going to, in this Analyze group, we're going to say Analyze Table. The Table Analyze Wizard opens to the first introductory screen. Click Next 2 times. Let's see, sometimes it's a little off. Then select Table Events. Okay, Next, Table Events, we got that. Next, click Yes to let the wizard decide. Click Access will create 3 new tables, Table 1, Table 2, and Table 3. That's okay. Oh, sorry. Double click the current name, sorry. Double click. Table 1 is going to be TBL event data. Okay. Table 2 is going to be TBL event name. And then table 3, double click, TBL event location. Okay. Click Next. Alright. Access asks whether you want to create a query that resembles your old table. Because your old table will be saved automatically, you do not need a query with the same data, so click No, I don't need to create a query. Finish. And so now we have all 3 tables you created will be open. So we have table event location, table event name, and table event data. Cool. So I think we're done. So I'm going to close these. I'm going to do a compact and repair, and then I'm going to submit this and see what it looks like. Okay. So I'm just going to do a save as and just see where I put this. Okay, it's in Documents. I'm going to close that. You always have to close your Access database to before you try and save your data. Upload your data. Okay, so nope, it's not there. I swear I just looked. Well, heck, I just... This is it, 637. Open. 637, open. Upload. Submit. Let's see how I got. Okay guys, I looked at my grade and I did not get 100. So I want to show you how you can look at this. And then, so here it says, I only got 3 out of 4 here. So it says in table event, the caption of client ID was not set to client and the client ID field was not set to yes. Okay, so I might have messed that. So I'm going to do download submitted file and then extract it and work from that. So I'm going to minimize that, minimize, and then side by side. I'll close that. Let's just do this side by side so we can see it. So in okay, so table events, items, in design view, client ID, and I didn't. So they were right. So it was set to client, so I must have missed that in the instructions. And then required was set to yes. Okay, so I fixed those two things. And then if I'm going down, the rest of them are good. So I'm going to save, close, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to let's see, am I in student view? Yeah, I am going to submit it again, and see if I improved. So I'm going to choose my file. That does not seem to be the one that I... Oh shoot, I'm over my time.